guys, welcome to cooking. So we're cooking Tony Pepperoni and chips. We already cooked them. So I have this watch in a few days and then the iPhone in 0 days. So I can see Subway. Alright, so where is it? Can I show my chips?
Well, we won't open it now. We'll just wait. Otherwise,
Alright, guys.
Have a look at the packet.
This is one thick, and it's sealed there. So it's time to start cooking Tony Pepperoni.
Sorry. Where'd you think it went? Back to the chemist?
Oh yeah, that's right.
And a lighter.
Fish and chips on a Friday night.
Look, I can't care, but
Yes,
I can't finish up all the time.
yes.